cash works great. Let's do cash.
All right, you guys, it's been a very long time since this special guest has joined me, but at last he had the time and the ability and the mental wherewithal to hang out.
Has it really been that long, though?
It's been like 6 months.
Has it?
I think it has. Is there anything you're going to be looking for at all?
Yeah, I'm going to be looking for unopened, uncirculated, original packaging video games.
Right out the gate, I spot some really nice bags with some really hefty price tags. So I sniffed around to see if I could see any that were like lower than $100. And this Coach tote was only $10. So I was like, I think I can flip this for more. It actually already sold in my store for over $50. So super happy with that. I grabbed that. And again, totally fine that they wanted higher prices. I just was looking for things that I could flip. Oh, that's nice. Let's get the bag.
Okay, sure.
Yeah.
This is...
I think it was 10, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can fill it with stuff, too.
I sure could.
You can fill it with donuts.
It's good to start the day with a bag.
You do get a donut for your purchase, so
oh,
if you
I'm
want
good.
it, please.
Thank you so much.
You're the expert. Thanks a lot.
So, Teach, I got really excited when I saw Nina & Co. because that's a really good purse brand.
That's the one you bought?
No.
Oh.
The ones that... Then I saw the tag. It was $150.
Oh, she wanted $150. Oh, yeah. Maybe they wanted $1.50.
And
you just read it wrong. Should we go back?
Okay, just as a sidebar, no hate or shade to that person for charging that. That's actually a good price for Nina & Co. I think retail, it's anywhere between $300 and $400, so totally fine. It's a good deal if you want to buy it like, you know, for yourself personally, totally a great deal. For me, you know, as I'm a vulture reseller, so that's just not something that's in my price range to flip. So totally fine, no shade, no hate. Please don't leave me mean comments.
Next up was this little alleyway yard sale just right by the other one. That's the benefit of a community yard sale. Everything is just right near each other. And I spotted this vintage Coach bag. When they are made in USA and vintage style like this, they actually sell for a lot of money. So definitely don't pass them up. Is there any strap that goes, is the crossbody?
No, the strap is long gone.
Okay. Then I looked through the clothes to see if there was anything there. I did see a Target collab. Target collabs don't always sell great for me, but this seemed to sell okay. I don't know. I didn't look it up on the spot. I kind of just grabbed it on a hunch. I don't think it'll sell for more than like $15. But I also grabbed some J. Crew swimsuits, which were really cute. How much were you wanting for the Coach?
Like $10.
Okay, great. And then what about the clothing? I have two pieces. I have a bathing suit and a pant. Yeah.
Let's do $11.
Great. Awesome. Thank you so much.
Barbie Queen of the Prom? Is that even how you spell Mattel?
Yes.
I think it's one T. Might be a bootleg game. What?
This embroidery caught my eye, and I believe this is Spain's national soccer team. I could be wrong. You guys can correct me. But whenever I see embroidery like that, I do like a Google image search, and I saw comps on eBay anywhere from $25 to $30, so I grabbed it, and it was only a few bucks.
Are you guys vloggers?
Yeah, she is. I'm just the...
Just my little adventures. He's the holder.
That's, yeah, I'm the shopping cart. Thanks.
Next up, I was looking through this, I believe a teenager's wardrobe, and I like looking through that because they often have really trendy designs and styles. And sure enough, I found my first Lulu of the day. These are the Dance Studio pants, and these should sell for like $50.
Education, don't forget from whence you came, and the world's gonna know your name. What's your name, man? Dang it, TJ! What?
I've never been satisfied.
So after checking these shorts really quick, you know, I always check athletic wear. They're just, I think, Universal Thread Target brand. I looked at the boots. I spotted those. These are Doc Martens actually, and they're the Emmeline boot. So happily picked those up. Was praying that they were a reasonable price because these could sell for a lot. And then I looked over in their activewear section again, found Athleta. I love picking up Athleta, so that was a no-brainer for me. All of their clothing was between $1 and $5, so happy to grab that. Then I checked the swimsuits, and there was this really cute J. Crew one piece, as well as an Athleta swimsuit, which I love picking up. These sell fantastic.
Oh, there's a card still in this one. Just wanted to let you know. Just to be safe, yeah, no, it comes with it though.
A free bank account.
So the shoes I'm doing 5, and then these other things, let's see, those pants were 3, swimsuits are 1.
Okay, so
8, 9, 10.
10? Yeah, okay, great. Let's do it. And then
Perfect.
change.
Yep, I do.
Awesome.
I was so excited to find these Doc Martens. These are the Emmeline or Emmeline. I think it's Emmeline. The Emmeline boots. The only issue, as you can see, is I've been trying to like polish out this. It's trickier than normal to get these into like really pristine photographing conditions. So I will keep you guys updated, but even selling them as is, I think they'll still sell for like at least $40. So a great flip right there.
Now I want a sucker.
Should you get
Okay,
one?
I'm getting a sucker.
Yeah, get one for me.
What's the best flavor?
3 for $1.50.
Okay, that's worth it.
Wait, I don't know if I have.
Give a buck?
I have a buck. I do.
Okay,
There
here we go. Okay, I'll take.
There we go.
Okay, so I'll take the 3 then.
Blue raspberry looks good.
Okay.
Look at that. We ran out of cash.
But don't worry, because we can just get more.
We can get more, but we drove over to the bank.
has this dumb rule where you can't just get cash out of the cash machine unless you have your card. Which is like,
I don't have my wallet.
can you just trust us?
Gosh!
Can you just do like an iris scan?
We're back home. We're gonna get my card, and then we're gonna go back to the bank and get cash, and then we're gonna go back and do the yard
Next
sales.
thing you know, they're gonna want a PIN number probably too. Ridiculous.
How much for the bag? Right there, my husband told me.
Just 5.
Okay.
I already bought it, so.
Oh, you
I'm
did?
just kidding.
Oh, wait. Oh, sorry.
My bad
Right.
now. You can get this.
It is really cool. Hey, thank you so much.
All right, so this is that rucksack I had TJ buy. The brand is G Favor. I didn't know what it was, so I just grabbed it without really looking up any comps. It felt nice. This feels like real leather. I found out after some investigation that it's a brand sold on Amazon, and it does retail for like $60, $70. Depends on the style of bag. So getting it for $5, I think I can flip it for 30 to 40. So it was worth it in the end.
I'm gonna buy you this book.
You should, actually. Honestly, I should probably read it.
This would help you.
I really actually probably need that. Hi. Sorry, how much for... You want 10 for this and then
I'd love 20 for that.
20? Could we do 25 for both?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay, so at the end of that clip, TJ was like, what is this? Because I kind of paid up. I paid $15 for this, but I think it's a camping sleeping pad. So you can blow it up. This one is not the long one, which would have sold for a little bit more, but 20 inches by 66 inches. It should still sell for like $50. So I'm glad I picked it up. I think this, according to her, is in pretty much brand new condition, which is exciting.
It's like we're just in time.
Yeah, like I'm really
How fun.
Started browsing the clothing racks, and I'm looking for my standard brands. Took a second, but then I found this Free People little like shrug cardigan, and this is the Bonfire cardigan. Should sell fantastic for at least $50. Then I headed over to this pile of clothing. This is like activewear, and I spot these Athleta Venice joggers. This is a more recent style for Athleta. I am looking for something that was made in the last couple of years. Some brand new in the box Reef shoes. These are some like fluffy faux fur sandals. These should sell fantastic. Super excited to find these. Again, I'm just hoping that the prices are reasonable, but I'm pretty sure they will be based on like what I had seen on the sign anyway. Then I spotted this Aparso jacket. I hadn't really heard of this brand, but the tag looked nice and it felt like it was nice quality. So when I see that, I'll just grab it and take a little bit of a risk. I found another Free People. This is a tie-dye sweater, and that little logo there lets me know it's Free People movement. I might keep that for me, as well as like a bunch of the activewear I saw, to be honest. The Venice joggers, and then that, and then this is a really cute Nike quilted rally hoodie. Again, just some really high quality stuff that might make its way into my closet before I end up selling it. And then I never pass up the kids table because there's a couple of really cute sweaters that not only will sell well, but my kids will love them.
You go with the full discount of 50.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
Okay,
work for
great.
you.
Yeah.
Okay,
You got a lot of great
Venmo
stuff.
or cash,
Yeah.
whatever.
Cash
I think
works
we got the
great.
Cash ready
Let's
to
do
go.
cash.
Okay, perfect.
Thank you. Said you want to get some corn over there. 9 a.m.
It's 9 a.m. There's nothing I want more than buttered cheesy
nothing
corn.
better.
And when I tried it with butter, everything changed.
There's nothing
corn.
better than a breakfast corn. Just to add, it wasn't corn pops, corn flakes, corn on the cob. It's the
fits.
natural progression.
Oh.
This is a brand called Uncle Mike's, and I think they make stuff for law enforcement. This is like a passenger seat utility holder of sorts, and then some 511 tactical. I love finding this brand. The boots sell for a lot of money, as well as just some really basic Nikes. I'll always pick these up when prices are reasonable.
How much for the boots?
No,
Here's
the boots
one.
are 60.
Okay. What about the bag? And like this, like.
I think she wants $2 for that, and maybe
Okay.
5 for the bag.
Okay. Let's do that. We'll do the bag and the leggings. That sounds perfect.
I love finding Tiger Woods collab with Nike. These always sell great. This should sell for like $40 on its own. Thrilled to find that at this next yard sale. And then these Dolce Vita flats were really cute and in good condition. So it's not a brand I pick up all the time, but I figured, hey, why not? And then I love picking up hiking bags, especially JanSport.
Hi. How much are you wanting for your clothes and then the bag?
$5 for the bag, $1.50.
Okay. So, okay. Let's see if I have change. Thank you so much.
Why did this catch your eye?
TJ does not pass the vibe check. This is awesome.
Just ship it like on
I do shipping now.
a flatbed.
Teach the backpack. So JanSport
JanSport.
hiking backpacks
Yeah.
do really well, like 70 or 80
No
bucks
way.
for that. So when
Really?
she said 5, I'm like, yeah, I'll do 5.
$5 for the bag,
Okay. Trying to make money.
That's what I
over
was
here.
trying to tell you the whole time. And you're like, I don't want the backpack. How about that? Should we
Yeah,
stop there?
Stop there.
I swear sometimes like I just feel the fabric and I'm like immediately no, I know that that's nothing, but I felt the fabric on these and they felt nice, and sure enough they are figs. The technical collection, I still sell these. They sell great, bread and butter item. And then I saw this heart and I knew that this was a huge find. I love finding this brand. It's a very expensive brand.
How much for the shirt? 10. Okay, 10 for this one. So, Comme des Garçons, I don't even know if I'm saying that right, with the little heart. If you see this heart and like the collabs they do with Vans and other stuff, it's like a designer brand. It sells for a lot. This brand new on eBay sells for like 80. I'll probably be able to sell it for 50-ish, maybe more. So yeah,
I told you.
you never know.
I would have picked that up.
I did pay $10 for it, but it was worth it because this is a good brand. All right, Teach, we got our snacks.
Find something else that was good?
No. Well,
What's in the bag?
one thing. I did go to that one house and I grabbed shoes.
How was it? Nothing?
I got shoes. So Teach, it's been a while. What are your thoughts on? Do you miss it, or are you like, yard sales aren't for me?
They're for me, 100%. Only if you're there, though. If you're not there, I will be like, no.
No, yeah.
There's
You
no
gotta-
Picasso there.
All in all, a super fun and productive day. I'm so glad you guys joined us. We made a bunch of money and I laughed. You guys hopefully laughed. TJ's always a riot when he joins me. Hopefully it'll be sooner than 6 months where he can like hop in and join me again. But yeah, thanks you guys. I appreciate you and I'll catch you in the next one.